What is up, YouTube fam? Today, we're sous videing a couple of small steaks. Alright, so sous vide is basically a temperature controlled water bath. All you're gonna do is get your steaks, put them in some plastic, and then put them in some water with your circulator. Then after that, we're gonna get a flamethrower and char these bad boys. So these are pretty cheap steaks. You can find them at any grocery store. You know, nothing too crazy. Cheap stuff. Not anything ridiculous or anything like that. Prep your board. You never want to beat your meat alone. That's weird and it's shameful. Babe, come beat my meat. Okay, you're going to have to beat your meat alone. Some nice thick meat here. Sprinkle some salt on there. Garlic powder. Fresh peppercorns. And you want to season all the sides. Now what I like to do, there's a ton of seasonings on the board. Just get your steak and roll it around a tad. It'll be delicious. Now let's take this over to our vacuum sealer. You're going to need a roll of food bag. Kind of eyeball it. The process is very simple. You're just going to line up one end with your vacuum sealer here. So you're just going to hit your seal button. Let it do its thing. Let's take the proper precautions here. We don't want any premature accidents. We've got a nice double seal there. Let's go ahead and get our nice juicy steak in the bag. What I like to do for this is I like to fold the bag over so I don't get any steak or juice on the rim, and I'll have a nice seal at the end of all of this. We've got our bag ready. Put our steak in. Oh, that's so nice. I should get more into this ASMR stuff. We've got our steak prepped. We're just gonna make sure our gaskets are proper. Let's go ahead and clamp that in. Hit our vac seal button. Take all the air out. Just like that, we have a juicy steak ready for our sous vide bath. Let's talk about the water bath. The water bath is basically a plastic container that can withstand the heat, or you could use a metal pot, and the water bath circulator, a sous vide machine. In this case, I'm just gonna use my packout. It's clean enough. Load up my circulator and fill it with water. Goes on the side just like so, and boom, just like that, you've got a sous vide packout. Our first steak. So you're just gonna get some sort of container, fill it with water, and then fill the other container. The setting on your machine there. I like mine medium rare, so we're gonna go ahead and shoot for 132. Alright fam, it's the next day. Let's get our healthy cuts of meat here. Look at that, the juices. We're gonna lay our cuts on our cutting board. We're gonna cut one end of our bag and place the drippings in our pan. Go ahead and drain your bag. These sous vide bags are really soft when you pull it fresh out of the water, so you can just tear it open using your hands. Pulling this out, 24 hours means this thing is really close to falling apart. You're gonna need your paper towels to dry this bad boy off. Go ahead and pat dry. Let me save y'all the trouble of having to wait through all of that all over again. Sear them up. Here we have our very own flamethrower. Oh yeah. side. Absolutely. That's the end of that.